Good morning, guys. Guess where we are? We're at the beach. Look at the sky. Not a cloud in the sky. Right now, walking the dogs. And today has just been a great day so far. It's bright and early. I don't even think it's 8 o'clock. It might be 8 o'clock. We are at our beach house. Had my daughter Brittany make me a cup of coffee in bed. That was nice. Right now, I got in a couple thousand steps. We walked all the way to the pool, the shuffleboard, bocce. We're gonna do all of those things today. Gonna go home now, take a shower, put on my bathing suit, head to the pool, do some laps, sit out, read my book. Then we're gonna do some bocce and shuffleboard. Maybe a little bit of tennis. I don't know, I don't wanna fit it all in one day because we have a dinner reservation at 6:30. So we're gonna enjoy the next few days in honor of me turning 56. What in the world is going on? Another year blessed with good health and happiness. See you later. I look like Panama Jack. We just spent the afternoon at the pool. We had a great time. Look how burnt I got. Oh, woo, that's burnt. And this little beach cover-up action is from Walmart, believe it or not. Isn't it pretty? Look at this. So when I was there, I didn't have it all buttoned, but right now I'm walking the dog, so I have it buttoned up. Yes, I love it. It's beautiful. I'm putting it on right now. Oh my God, guys, do you see this thing? So Jess was fishing for a little while we were in the shower, and he comes home with a birthday present. This is actual sand from the island and turquoise sapphire, and the white stones are diamonds. Look. Oh my God. I love it. What a great, sorry about the hairbrush. Just brushing my hair because we're going to get ready to go. Paisley's barking because the landscapers are outside, but oh guys, isn't that so sweet? What a surprise. I love it. All right, so we're gonna head out to the restaurant and we'll see you over there. So while I'm waiting for everybody else to get ready, I just wanna take a minute to say, my eyelashes are barely existing anymore. I don't know what is going on, but the top lashes on both eyes are either tiny little stubs or barely there. So I am gonna go, when we get back home, I'm actually gonna call my doctor and see if I can just have a blood test to see what's going on. I think it's very strange. I don't know, I haven't, used a curler and, pulled them out. I don't know what it is. Do any of you guys have that problem? I don't know, it's very strange, but it could be thyroid. It could be something else. I don't know. Like my hair is not dry, my skin is nice, but the eyelashes on this eye are almost, bless you, are almost gone. That's frustrating. And I really don't want to start wearing the fake ones again because they look silly. I think. I liked them. They had their moment, but I don't like them anymore. But if I'm going to walk around with no eyelashes, I need to do something. I may need to buy something to put on to help them grow. Oh boy, but oh, I am so in love with this gift. And this is, it's not heavy, but it's not light. It's like a really nice, beautiful piece. Wow, Jess. He always buys me the most beautiful things. Spoiled. All right, we're going to dinner. Let's go.
Peter had red snapper. Is it good? What does it taste like?
Very light. What'd you get?
Good stuff.
I know. Italian egg rolls. Holy Peter.
Okay, Brittany, say grace.
Grace. Let's take a picture for sister.
We have to say
Picture
special
for
grace
sister.
because it's Lori's birthday.
Under my skin.
We're in the bathroom, Brittany and I, and we're my outfit. Trying to show everybody my outfit. What happened, Corey? You got burnt? Woo! Corey's burnt. Good morning, guys. It's coffee time. We're gonna go take a ride. Oh, this is so good. That first sip. We're gonna take a ride over to Wawa. We're gonna go get some breakfast, and then I think today we're gonna head to the beach, the lighthouse, and everything in between. Ooh, last night was such a great time. We're tired, we're burnt, and you can't really tell, but we got sunburned bad. Look at my leg. Ooh, sunburn, sunburn. All right, we gotta go online. What'd you get? Woo! We are back, and I'm making my own breakfast because the Wawa is just too calorically dense for me. So I brought a bag of Sola bagels, 15 grams of protein, 110 calories, and I think 3 or 4 net carbs. So it's perfect for breakfast. And then I brought some cream cheese, and I use about 1.5 tablespoons on my bagel. And there it is, tempty. And look at this bowl of fruit salad that was made for me last night. I got you a present.
You got me a present.
I will.
How you got me something? You weren't supposed to get me something.
Why? I love you and I got you a present.
Really? Oh, what could it be?
I don't know.
What's the white thing? Just the bottom?
Probably.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Papa.
Don't you love the blue? It's like sea glass
Yes.
blue.
Yes, I do.
Do you?
I got you something from the same company.
Oh, that is awesome.
Do you like it?
Yeah, that's super
Do
cool.
you really?
It's a wave, yeah.
She said that's lava rock from the island and the sand from the island, and
That's awesome.
yay!
Yes.
I love this, my angel.
That's great.
Let's eat.
You got me something. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now we have matching
Yes, we
company presents.
That's a good brand.
Yeah.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, I saw.
Put a little bit of aloe on.
What happened, Britt? You got burnt?
Badly.
Yeah.
My arm's killed.
I'll send you the pictures later.
Bye.
Hi.
Cause I got this my favorite things. You could be the part where